Kaizen Sensei here, going to talk to you about The Last Planner by Glen, Ballard and Howell, put together in 1980s, which is a project management system used in construction in coordination with Lean and the Toyota production system. Very quickly, what it is this big gigantic room where contractors and sub meets on a stand-up meeting every day, usually lasting 10 minutes. What they stare at are whiteboards with post-it notes on them. The first board is the master schedule, and what it has are the drawings, the takeoffs, the permits, everything you need to build. Then the second board is the phase planning, which sets the target dates where inspectors approve and they tell you whether you can go forward or not. So that has certain target dates. Then we have a 6-week calendar board that outlines what should be done on a weekly basis. It's a look ahead so that contractors and the superintendent can be on track. Then finally, you have the 1-week board where each day has a specific goal where contractors with their labor, equipment, materials are to complete their tasks so that the following day you can do the same thing. Then you have this board, we call it the constraint board, where every day you have a problem where the superintendent has to do whatever he or she can to resolve any issues so that the contractor is assigned to that specific date, whether it be labor, equipment, material, deliveries, logistic, and timing are done. They are all done so that that day can be complete, right? Then we have what they call the parking lot board, where we have basically detailed discussions that are outside the general 10-minute meeting in the morning. Okay, so what's really important here, it's called the last planner, is that when you first schedule the meeting and you put the strategy together, you start at the finish line and then you plan backwards, right? Instead of working from the beginning and going to the end in your planning, you start from the end and go to the front. That's why they call it the last planner. Now, I have a book right here called The Lean Builder. It's a really good book. Pick it up and read it. If not, go to Google. It does a really good job. Because guess what? If you do this right, you can be fast, cheap, and good at the same time.